What if your car was hiding secret features you've never used? From life-saving safety tricks to everyday convenience hacks, here are 10 hidden car features that almost no one knows about. You think you know your car? Think again. Number 1. The hidden key. Inside your key fob, picture this. It's pouring rain, you're locked out, and your key fob battery is dead. Panic? Nope, because inside that little fob is a real key. Most drivers have no idea. Look for a tiny release button or slider on the side of your fob. Pull it out. Boom, a hidden metal key. And get this, the keyhole might be under a small cover on your door handle. It's there for emergencies, and it can save you a ton of stress. Number 2, the secret sun visor extension. Driving into the sunset and getting blinded from the side? You flip down the visor, and it's still useless. Here's the fix. Most cars have a slide-out extension hiding inside the visor. Pull it out, and it blocks that annoying side glare. Simple, brilliant, and your eyes will thank you. Subscribe. Hold up. Did you know over 98% of people watch these videos without subscribing? Come on, hit that button. It's free and it really helps us out. Number 3, the tiny arrow on your dashboard. You pull up to the gas station and, wait, which side is the fuel cap on? Stop guessing. Next to the little gas pump icon on your dashboard, there's a tiny arrow. It points to the side your gas tank's on. It's been right in front of you this whole time. Number 4, roll down every window with one button. It's a blazing hot day and your car feels like an oven. Before you open the door, press and hold the unlock button on your fob. If your car supports it, all your windows roll down automatically. Instant breeze. No more stepping into a sauna. Some models need this feature turned on in the settings menu first. Number 5, the rearview mirror trick. You're driving at night and the car behind you hits you with full blast headlights. Blinding, right? Look under your mirror. See that little lever? Flip it down. Your mirror tilts just enough to block the glare, but still lets you see behind you. Old school trick, still genius. Number 6, the trunk escape handle. Getting stuck in a trunk sounds like a movie nightmare, but every car made after 2002 has an emergency trunk release inside. Look for a glow-in-the-dark handle near the latch. Pull it, and the trunk pops open from the inside. A small feature that saved real lives. Number 7, speed-sensitive volume control. Ever notice your music getting louder as you speed up? That's not your imagination. It's speed-sensitive volume control. Your car automatically adjusts the sound based on road noise and speed, so your playlist stays perfectly balanced no matter how fast you're going. Number 8, windshield wiper service mode. Trying to clean or replace your wipers, but they won't lift off the glass? There's a secret mode for that. Turn the ignition on, then off, and tap the wiper control right after. Your wipers jump up into service position, making them easy to clean or swap. No damage, no hassle. Number 9, hidden storage compartments. Need extra space but your car's already packed? Check under your seats, beneath the floor mats, even under passenger footwells. Some cars, like the Dodge Journey or Chrysler Pacifica, have hidden storage bins you've probably never noticed. Perfect for stashing valuables or keeping your car clutter-free. Number 10, auto lock when you walk away. You walk off, keys in your pocket, and then that thought hits you. Wait, did I lock the car? Don't sweat it. Many modern cars lock themselves automatically when the key fob moves out of range. You can even adjust the delay time in your car's settings. Peace of mind, built right in. Your car's full of surprises. Features designed to make your life safer, easier, and just plain smarter. So next time you're behind the wheel, take a closer look. Try a few of these tricks. Who knows, you might uncover a hidden gem your car's been keeping from you all along. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.